are so proud of you, and we're very happy to have you here.
Can we use this? And here.
That works?
Yes. And here, this one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is my pleasure and honor to be with you today. So happy to see nursing and nurses in Saudi Arabia progressing so well. Today, in 10 minutes, I'll try to share our experience in UAE, how we developed nursing and how we are continuing to develop nursing in UAE. Thank you for the kind introduction, and thank you for the invitation to this very important conference. UAE, as you know, and you heard, I'm sure, is a country of almost 10 million population right now. And since our founder, Sheikh Zayed, Allah Rahmah, have established the federation, UAE enjoyed vast development in all aspects of UAE development, whether it is education, women empowerment, youth empowerment, cultural, scientific. We have developed cities that are well established right now in UAE, and it shows that the country is empowering youth and women, and we are also kind of emphasizing the happiness of population. Right now we have Minister of Youth, Minister of Happiness, and all this is direction of the country to provide quality living in UAE. So right now in UAE we have 59,000 nurses, and there are 143 hospitals, around 4,968 primary healthcare centers, 63.61 nurses and midwives per 10,000. In 2018, it was estimated that for us to reach 75 nurses per 10,000, we needed 22,000 nurses. So if we look at the current statistics, we are, in general, I think the direction is well, and we're developing workforce to be more to provide healthcare in the country. And in a cross-sectional study, we can see that nurses in UAE are, majority of them from outside the country, trained in many different schools, and basically mainly from Philippines and India, but from maybe around 200 other countries in the world. And in general, our nurses are young, 38% under age of 30 years. All of them, majority of them, very well educated. Approximately 71% are holders of BS in our healthcare setting. So as I am going through what we did in UAE, I will kind of take you through phases. These phases coincide with me being in the healthcare as a nurse. I graduated 79, and I joined the service in UAE 1980. So when I joined, this is from my perspective and experience, education at that time was kind of a simple and primitive stage. We had a School of Nursing that was established in 72, and I joined the School of Nursing as soon as I graduated. And So nursing education was, as I said, kind of just starting. We had entry to education of multiple levels. It could be intermediate, could be just primary. So admission to school of nursing was really not at the quality that will provide quality and strong graduates. Within, as I'm working with my colleagues in the school and meeting some other pioneers in nursing in the country, such as Dr. Amina with us today, at that time, through this forum of education, we're able to contribute to some committees and be members in regional and some international committee. At that time, we have realized that the image of nursing in UAE is quite kind of, let's say, not positive. And the role was not visible, not appreciated, not recognized. And in general, we as a professional, whether UAE nurse leaders or whether even our nurses, expatriate nurses, we felt motivated to give care and to introduce change, but we were not empowered. So during this period, it is characterized by nurses not being visible, not recognized, and they are not engaged in decision making at facility level or at even at corporate level. We're fortunate, and I think I am also fortunate, that I was able to contribute to some reforms of education. That was during 1984. We had a team from AUB pioneer in our region in nursing and in education and nursing service. At that time, we have managed to develop the program. It was a diploma program, but we have developed it to make the admission at a higher level and standardized, and we're able to expand nursing education into other emirates. So we opened schools of nursing in 4 other emirates. So that's the kind of the start of the change. At that time, the education, the graduate, having leaders, UAE leaders, and other leaders from around the world have helped us to recognize what to do for nursing. We, as a profession, and also the healthcare system, a time that kind of ready to change. And I think this helped us to move to the second stage, which I called it setting the directions. This is now after 7 years, 8 years of me being in the School of Nursing and of the reform that happened in education in UAE. What happened, I came back from my master program, and I had during my studies this vision of what to do for nursing in UAE. Knowing that the image is not positive as we want, knowing that nursing is not visible, knowing that we are not able to engage and participate, contribute to the decision making. The vision that I shared later on with other leaders in the country and other nurses, that the profession in UAE needed a unit, a central unit that represents nursing for engagement in decision making, professional association for the identity of the profession, and professional regulation where nursing and nurses are defined and are regulated. So here comes the first pillar of foundation to change is the willingness in Ministry of Health to introduce change and first thing is that they wanted to develop Department of Nursing as a central unit for engaging nursing in decision making and representing nursing. And guess what? I was lucky enough to be nominated to the position of the director of this unit. So I had, the opportunity to bring this vision that I had and I shared with colleagues in the country into reality. So accepted the offer and started building the department with building the team, and we addressed a lot of challenges and needs of nursing in the country, including needing to have a registration system, addressing regulation for nursing. And at that time, 94, we have for the first time established a national nursing strategy. And the highlight, I think, of that period, at 2000, we had the first BSN program to train our nurses, and that was in Sharjah University. So this is now kind of set up the scene for the other step, where we wanted to focus on professional image and identity. So that we have the structure now, we are able to contribute to decision making, able to contribute to the strategy of the country. So how about we focus on the image and identity of nursing in the country? So the efforts with leaders in the country, we have always implemented and always hold the principle of engagement across the profession and with other healthcare providers, our colleagues from other discipline that help us to implement what we want. So the third stage is image building. And here we have developed the association 2003. Development of the association was one of the objectives at the Department of Nursing, because we are as a central unit. We were able to engage nurses around the country successfully. We had the association. Of course, we had a lot of challenges and a lot of dialogues that we have to go through to convince our colleagues, healthcare professionals, our colleagues, doctors, physicians, and other people within the Ministry of Health and other healthcare organizations. Very important for the identity of the profession is focusing on developing Emirati nurses, because this will provide the role model, will emphasize the positive image for the community about nurses. And we have developed programs nationally, but as well as providing the international possibility and international opportunity for our nurses to develop. And that we have developed the first ICN Leadership for Change program in the region in 2002. And at the same time, in that period, we had focused on patient safety, developed quality champions, and we have trained many nurses to be involved in quality programs. The important for us is also the international recognition. Within 2 years of the work of the association, we managed to be members of ICN. So we put nursing and nursing profession in UAE on the global agenda. And also lately, we are also a member of the ICN board, bringing again the profession not only in UAE, but also in the region on the international agenda. We've been able, because of our work and activities, to contribute to WHO consultation. So this period characterized us by building the image and the visibility of nursing in UAE. We have continuously attended the ICN conferences, and we have been also very active within WHO and other global forums. This period I called it regulation and professional standards, and this coincide with the focus in the country and around the world on patient safety and on importance of regulation. We remember the reports that been generated showing that adverse events and errors within healthcare were killing thousands and thousands of patients. And so this focus also coincide with my kind of my PhD dissertation on patient safety at that time. So when I came back, I thought now it is the time to implement the third pillar. So we had the central unit, and we had the identity, the association, and now we want a body specifically focusing on regulation and standard for nursing. So we had the opportunity to launch the UAE Nursing and Midwifery Council, and we managed to have engaged many nurses, and it is of course a privilege that we have in the country, that we are multi-nationality, diverse workforce, which bring a lot of background information that help us in developing our own standards and regulatory mechanisms. And then I guess the best thing of this process that also we were able to contribute to the global quality programs such as Magnet, which also puts UAE nursing on the global agenda and global community of nursing. And the development and progressing is continuing. I would say that since 2010, the influence of nursing in UAE been more developed and recognized. In 2013, the government had a retreat to look at the needs of the population in UAE, including healthcare. And we were fortunate, and I think this is a result of our work and our emphasis on including nursing and decision making and contributing to the healthcare system within UAE. We were part of the retreat of the government. This retreat resulted in a very important initiative in the country called Promoting Nursing as an Attractive Profession. It mainly focuses on not only attracting and encouraging young Emirati nurses, which is very important, but also to retain and maintain the nurses that we have in our healthcare system.
Fatima, sorry, Dr. Fatima, please 2 more minutes and you have to finish.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we can go from here. This period is very important for us because it shows that the effort that we have been using all these years have resulted in the nursing profession in UAE to be part of the decision making at different levels. And this is continuity of our progression in UAE. Right now we have a national committee for nursing and midwifery affairs under the leadership of our chief nurse, Dr. Sumaya. And we have a national strategy, and we have a national competency and professional practice framework for education. We've been expanding the nursing education programs. nursing practice standards is unified, and magnet and pathway of excellence designation is available in the country. Thank you.